How to do this popular video effect. So this video effect is very useful for people like business owners and marketers that have varieties of goods that they need to display so they can attract viewers and buyers. So it's important that you learn this. Just don't forget to follow for more, like and comment if this video was helpful. Let's go. So we're going to be using CapCut. That's the editing app we'll be using. If you don't have one, you can download it. Meanwhile, before then, you must have recorded yourself doing something like this. Like you're looking around, like what's happening, what's all over me, up here. You understand what I mean? So you're going to do something like that, yeah? And when you get the perfect one, you just put it into CapCut, split it, edit, you click on edit, you split, and then you delete those parts that are not wanted. Yeah, this part of coming in and going out is not wanted, so split and delete it. Yeah, and so I had to zoom out a bit, just keep checking the pointer. I had to zoom in and zoom out to make sure that my face is bold. Yes, it was a bit distant. So after that, I needed some face effects because as you can see, my face is very bare here, and so I did that. But you don't necessarily need this part here, so we are going to jump now. Also, you must have gotten the photos of all the products you want to sell or products you want to display. So when you have them like this, don't do anything much. Click on overlay and bring them from your photo studio into here, and this is how you're going to remove the background. When you click on overlay, it's going to bring it in. You click on, please use the pointer, keep using the pointer. I click on remove background here, and that background of whatever the product is going to be removed, and it's going to give you clean products like this. You do the same for each and every one of those products. Yeah, you click on remove background and it will remove the background. You see that? You click on remove background for this one too, and this one, like that. We keep going like that. Click on it, bring it in, remove background. You see that? Remove BG auto remover, and then you remove it. Don't forget, remove background auto remover. You will always see the prompt there. Please follow my pointer very well. Yeah, and then like that, you circle it around your face like this. Circle all the product, line them up. This is how your customers will see varieties and they are like, moved, oh, how much is this, how much is this? I'm telling you, I'm showing you the way to do these things. Now you will notice that dark space at the end. So what you will do is to use your hand to drag, click on each of those products, click on them, use my pointer, the way my pointer is, click on it and then drag with your hand to the end. Before that plus add ending, drag it to the end. Drag each and every one. Click on the screen, tap on the shoe, it will highlight it. Then to activate the product, then you use your hand to drag it. Just use my pointer. Okay, now you drag it to the end because you don't want any dark areas, any black areas towards the end. You want all the products to be fully cover this video. See, editing is very easy, and see, if it's difficult for you, you can tell me. I can teach you how to do it. Yeah, I teach it in my class and it's very easy, but still follow this and you get it. Yeah, and this is what you will do. Okay, now this is how to make those products move. We use what is called keyframe. Yeah, and if you can see that diamond shape thing, yeah, under my video, diamond, you will see it there. Like it's diamond, you see like graph, diamond, and some other icons and play icon. Then you click each and every of the products and tap the keyframe, that diamond thing, you tap it. Yeah, do it for each and every one. After that, to make it move, you activate each product again and again, and you'll be moving it slightly. You see the way I'm moving, that you'll be moving them slightly. After each 1 second, move it slightly like that, and then like that. You see this blue one too, you see, and that is just it. You keep doing it you see how it is moving, keep doing it in circles, and then I decided to choose the blue one, right? Yeah, that is just how it is done. Now carefully export your video, and this is the end result. See, if you display this, look at this. Can you see? It's like it's really bringing out your product. If you display your business like this, your food, anything, most people want to buy. Now you have learned this for free, please go to the comment section and please say thank you, I have learned, and please don't forget to share this video. Let others benefit.